Hello children, how are you? Fine? Good. I am Shruti and I will be teaching you English, and this is your English reader, Enlightened Book 3, and today we will discuss our first lesson. But before we started our lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. Children, do you like to read animal stories? I think most of us, isn't it? There are more stories which are familiar to us. For example, The Crow and the Fox, then Hare and Daughters. So there are more common stories which we have been reading right in the time by our early ages. All of us love to read animal stories. Today we are also going to learn a story. The main characters are animals. Now I would like to ask you one more question. Children, do you love animals? Are you kind with them? Suppose we have a pet in our home. We spend a lot of time with them. So children and adults, everyone love animals. So one more question for you. Where did the animals live? Anyone know the answer? Where did the animal lives? Zoo, then forest, then anywhere we can see the animals. So what you mean by forest? What is forest? Forest is a large area, not a small area. Forest is a large area dominated by trees. Forests are full of living and non-living things. They depends on each other. So the birds, animals and other insects are always safe at there. So have you ever visited a forest? Have you ever visited a forest? So near our place there is a farm. So what is that? Yes, Aralam farm. So we were familiar with this forest. So children, one more question for you. Children, did you like helping others? Did you like helping others? I think most of us were helping others. For example, you just think that if you lost your favorite thing, what you will do? Will you try to find out that? Yes or no? So most of them were ready to find out their thing. So today we are going to learn the lesson. So our lesson name is Lost and Found. Our lesson name is Lost and Found. What is the spelling of found? Yes, F-O-U-N-D. So our lesson name is Lost and Found. So anyone know the meaning of lost? L-O-S-T, lost. Lost meaning. What is the meaning of lost? Yes. What is the? I don't need the Malayalam meaning. I want the English meaning. Yes. Lost means missing something. Lost means missing something. Then what is the meaning of found? What is the meaning of found? F-O-U-N-D. Found. Found means to find it. Found means to find it. So our story which tells that here lost means missing something and found means to find it. So did you clear the chapter name? Then we are going to learn who were the main characters of our story Lost and Found. We are going to learn who were the main characters of our story. So the first character of our story. The first character of our story is Ollie. Ollie, O-L-L-Y, Ollie, owl. So she is the first character of our story. What is this? An owl. So she is the main character or the first character of our story. Then Ollie owl. Then second one, there is one more character in our story. Second one is Manty Molly. Manty. M-A-N-D-Y. Manty Mole. So, she is the second character. What is Manty Mole? We can simply say that mouse. So, she is the second character of a story. Molly. So, Manty Molly is the second character of our story. Then we are going to learn who is the third character of our story. So, the third character of our story is Tammy Toad. Tammy Toad. So, the third character of our story is Tammy Toads. Tammy Toad. So, we can simply say that Tammy Toad is a frog. Yes. Character of our story is Tammy Toad. Then, first one is Ollie Owl. Then, second one is Manty Mole. Then, third one is Tammy Toad. Then, we are going to learn the fourth character is Barry Badger. Fourth character is Barry Badger. Barry Badger. So, I will show the picture of a Barry Badger. So, this is our fourth character, Barry Badger. Then, we are going to learn the last character of our story. So, that is Irma Eagle. That last one is Irma Eagle. So, the last character of our story. So, this is the picture of a eagle. So, she is the last character of our story. So, once again we have to learn the names of the main characters of our story. First one is Ollie Owl. Then, second one Manty Mole. Then, third one Tammy Toad. Then, fourth one is Barry Badger. Then, last character is Irma Eagle. So, we are going to learn the story of these animals. What happened in their life. So, before we started our lesson, I will give a small intro about our story. Lost and Found is a story about how Ollie Owl find an egg and how she find the owner of that egg. So, then move on our lesson. One day, Ollie Owl was sleeping in the branches. So, she heard a sound. Something is fell down the floor. So, she flew down and she noticed that it is an egg. So, what is that? It is an egg. Then, at that time, the second character of her story. Who is the second character? Manty Molly. So, she came out of the hole and she also noticed the egg. So, Ollie asked to Manty, Manty, whose egg belonged to this? So, Manty replied that, I think it is mine. So, Ollie said, what rubbish you are talking, it is not your. Moles are not lay egg. Then, this was heard by the third character. So, their conversation was heard by the third character. Who is the third character? Tammy Toad. She came out of the pot and sit in a rock. And she said to them, so, the egg was mine. So, the egg is very big, not a small. So, the egg like this. So, Tammy said to them, that is mine. So, Ollie tell to Tammy, it is not yours because Toad's egg are always tiny. Toad's egg are always tiny or small. So, children, did you ever see a Toad's egg? So, I will show the picture of Toad's egg. So, this is Toad's egg. Then, Tammy replied that, oh, no, it is not mine. So, after some times, there come the fourth character. So, who is the fourth character? Barry Badger. He is searching some egg. So, he saw the egg and he said to others, oh, I am searching egg because I feel hungry. So, I will ready to eat the egg. So, did you understand the intro of our story? Then, Look at your textbook. Then page number 1. So did you see this chapter, Lost and Found? So there is a small question for you. Get started. Take the pictures of the animals that lay egg. So we have to tick the animals that which lay egg. So the first one is a frog or tortoise. So did the tortoise lay an egg? Yes. So first one is the right. Then second one, what is the second picture? What is the second picture? Yes, rabbit. So if the rabbit lay an egg? No. The rabbit? No, lay an egg. Then third one, so it is not our answer. Then third one, what is the third one? Yes, an eagle. So an eagle lay an egg? Yes, an eagle lay an egg. Then moving on our lesson. Oli Owl had just woken from his nap. So Oli was sleeping, so she just wake up from his nap. Woof was that. So she heard a sound. Woof. What is the sound? Woof. W-H-O-O-O. Woof. She heard the sound. Woof. Or she make the sound. Woof. So something is fell on the floor. The sound is thump. What is the sound? Thump. T-H-U-M-P. Thump. So she heard the sound thump. So she flew down to the floor and she noticed that it is an egg. So what is that? It is an egg. So take the next page. Mandy Molly peeped from his bureau. So at that time Mandy Molly came out of her bureau. Bureau means hole. See, she came out of her hole. So Oli asked to Mole, whose egg is this? Oli asked to Mole, whose egg is this? So Mandy replied that, Mandy or Mole replied that, maybe it is mine. So maybe it's mine. Silly Mandy, moles don't lay egg. So Oli tell to her, what you are talking? Moles don't lay egg. Moles don't lay egg. So Mandy replied, oh, you are right. Oh, you are right. Oli, so I suppose it cannot my egg. So it is not my egg. Then Tammy Toad heard Oli's questions from her rock in the pond and he hopped over. So it was heard the third character. Who is our third character? Yes, Tammy Toad. Tammy Toad came out of her pond. So Oli once again asked, whose egg is this? So she asked Toad's, whose egg is this? So Toad's replied that toads lay egg. You know that, Oli? Toads will lay egg. This egg could belong to me. So this egg belonged to me. So Oli replied that, Tammy, it is true. Toads lay egg, but it is not your egg. So Tammy, you are talking the right thing, but it is not your egg. Toad's egg are tiny. So toad's egg are tiny. This egg is large. So this egg is large. It is not your egg. So it is not your egg. You are right as usual, Oli. This is not my egg. So she said that it is not my egg. So after some times, Barry Badger was wandering through the forest. So after some times, the fourth character of our story, Barry Badger, she walking through the forest. He was looking for egg. So he was looking for egg. He was hungry. So he feel very hungry. I love egg. I was looking for dinner. This is my egg and I am going to eat it right. So he said to others, this is egg. I want to eat the egg because I like the egg very much. So students, did you clear the story? Clear. So after we have to sometimes I will ask you question. If you have any doubt you can ask me now. So otherwise we have to move on the new words that we learned from this lesson. So let's move on the new words from this lesson. So the first word from this lesson. For the first word from this lesson. So first one is thump. T-H-U-M-P. Thump means, what is the meaning of thump? Which means hit. Thump means hit. Next one, peeped. Next word is peeped. P-E-E-P-E-D. Peeped means look. Peeped means look quickly. Peeped means look quickly. Next word is hoped. What is the meaning of hoped? H-O-P-P-E-D. What is the meaning of hoped? Moving by jumping. Then move by jumping one foot. Move by jumping one foot. Hoped means move by jumping one foot. Next one is badger. Next word is badger. Next word is badger. B-A-D-G-E-R. Badger means a small animal. What is the meaning of badger? A small animal with a grey. And white. With the grey and white fur. Badger means with a grey and a small animal with a grey and white fur. Next one is bureau. Next one is bureau. Bureau means hole. Bureau means hole. H-O-L-E. Bureau means hole. Next one is wandering. Next one is wandering. What do you mean by wandering? Wandering. Yes. Walking with the wandering means walking with. Wandering means walking with hurry and plain. Walking with the hurry and plain. So the first word we learned, first one is, what is the first word? Thump. Thump means, what is the meaning of thump? Hit. Then next one is peeped. What do you mean by peeped? Yes, look quickly. Then third one is hoped. What is the meaning of hoped? Move by jumping one foot. Then next one, badger. What is the meaning of badger? A small animal with grey and white fur. A small animal with a grey and white fur. Next one is badger. What is the meaning of badger? A small animal with a grey and white fur. A small animal with a grey and white fur. Next one is bureau. What is the meaning of bureau? Bureau means hole. Then last one is wandering. Wandering means walking with a hurry and plain. Wandering means walking with a hurry and plain. So I hope that you will understand these words. So next we have to move some question because I wanted to know how much you will understand my class. So the first question is for that, what was Ollie spotted. What was Ollie spotted? Yes, she spotted an egg. So, who were the main characters of her story? Who were the main characters of her story? Who were? Yes, there are 5 characters. So, what is her first character name? First character is Ollie Owl. So, first character is Ollie Owl. Then, who is the second character? Second character, yes, Mandy Mole. Second character is Mandy Mole. Then our third character Tammy Toad. Third is Tammy Toad, and fourth one is Barry Badger, and the fifth one is Irma Eagle. Then who feel very hungry? Who feel very hungry? If he need that one. Who feel very hungry? Yes, Barry Badger. So I hope that all you will understand this class. Then I will give you a small work for you. So I will write your homework in the board. You can write your notebook. So your homework is that write 5 sentences about your favorite animal. Write 5 sentences about your favorite animal. So you can draw the picture of the animal. Anyway, you can color it. Did you like what? You can do that. So next class all must study the lesson, because I will ask you questions. I hope that all you will enjoy this section. Thank you.